Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to try out to grow some dill seeds that are 35 years old. Uh, these seeds I got from my grandfather quite a few years back, and when he grows dill, he'd basically collect the seeds from the plants that basically grew from the flowers from the tops of the plants. So basically, I'm just gonna try to grow it inside, I guess, a pot. My garden's kind of full at the moment with stuff that I had planted in it. In the future, I'll try to make a video of what I'm growing inside the garden at the moment. So I figured I'd grow it in a pot because I'm not too sure if they'll start growing or not. So, anyways, like I mentioned, these seeds are about 35 years old. It's a different container that I put it in because the container my grandfather had the seeds in, was basically just falling apart, and you couldn't read the label that he had on it before. So I basically just wrote dull seeds. Well, it's in Estonian. It's basically dull seeds, and from 1984 and 1985. So basically about 35 years old. I had two containers like this, but the second container, the seeds started getting all moldy and stuff, so I just threw it in compost. So what I'm going to do is basically just, what I have in the pot right now is basically just a potting mix. I use it for starting off my tomato seeds and cucumber seeds and other seeds. I'm just going to take some of the dill seeds and just sprinkle a bit up on top. Doesn't have to be a large amount. But in this case, I'll probably put a bit more than normal. If it grows, or if they do start growing, I can just thin them out a bit. Just gonna close the top. What I'm gonna do next is just lightly cover the surface with potting mix. Doesn't need a large amount on top, just to lightly cover it. Just gonna flatten it down a bit. Then now what I'm gonna do is just, with the water sprayer, I'm just gonna spray it down a bit. Just so the seeds get some water, and just so the earth on top that I put gets flattened down a bit. I guess the excess water is gonna just drain through the bottom, so I would have put like a small plate underneath, but I kind of ran out of large plates for the size pot. So what I'm gonna do now is, since I'm done, I'm not gonna do it in that video, but I'll just put the pot on the balcony, and yeah, I'll put the pot on the balcony, and hopefully in a week or two I'll start getting some plants if the seeds were still good. and I'll give you guys and the girls an update if anything starts growing from it. Hopefully in about a week, maybe 2 weeks, I'll start having things growing. Hopefully, crossing my fingers that things grow. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to everyone soon. Bye.